What's up, my splurging virgins and my mommy milkers who are out here enjoying this beautiful Monday that we have off from the markets? But let's talk about the latest American innovation, turning Wall Street into a goddamn sports book. That's right, Robinhood and FanDuel are teaming up, and apparently your 401k is now just one bad parlay away from being a Taco Bell receipt. So here's the deal. Robinhood just rolled out event contracts. FanDuel, yes, the company that lets you lose your mortgage betting on the Jets, is doing the same, but for financial markets. What's an event contract? It's basically the Tinder date of investing. Short, binary, and you'll regret it the next morning. Will the Eagles beat the Cowboys? Yes or no? Will gold close above 3,500 tomorrow? Yes or no? It's not a bet. It's not a stock. It's in this magical gray area where the commodity futures trading commissions goes, we'll allow it. See, gambling is supposed to be regulated by state commissions. Trading is supposed to be regulated by the SEC. But event contracts, they fall right in the middle, right in the butt crack. Kind of like Florida in every election. Anyways, the American Gaming Association is freaking out, saying it's just gambling dressed up in a Wall Street suit. Meanwhile, the NBA is writing letters like, hey, if people can bet on whether LeBron hits his free throws through Robinhood, maybe we've gone a little bit too far. And let me tell you, Robinhood loves this. You know, as much as popular YouTubers love messaging underage children after they start getting popular, because 2/3 of their users are also gamblers on sports. That's right. Your buddy Chad, who day trades Tesla options at noon and loses his rent money on DraftKings by midnight, he's their core demographic. Now they're saying, why not combine the two? One app to rule them all. Stocks, crypto, parlays, hell, throw in sports betting and maybe you'll finally understand your portfolio after 6 beers. Of course, regulators are already pissed about this, by the way. Robinhood even sued Nevada and New Jersey because they didn't want these contracts in their states. Imagine explaining this to your grandma. No, grandma, I didn't gamble. I took an equity position in Patrick Mahomes' passing yards. I can't wait to see the couple fights and divorces that come from this, by the way. It's going to be amazing. Now, this is the inevitable outcome of America's obsession with financialization. We've turned everything into a market. Stocks, sports, fantasy football, meme coins, Taylor Swift tickets. If it moves, we'll slap a ticker symbol on it and let you lose money betting on it. And Wall Street, oh my God, they love it. Like, I'm loving it. You know, you would think they're McDonald's at this point. Because the more you confuse people, the more money that they get to make, by the way. You think you're a savvy investor? Nah, you're just funding their next yacht at this point. And of course, the companies spin it like it's good for consumers. More products, more competition, tighter spreads, and more ways for idiots to confuse betting on the Jets with buying the S&P 500. This isn't something Warren Buffett would preach. Be fearful when others are greedy, and also take the over on Monday Night Football. I can't wait for those quotes to come out from Morgan Stanley and all of our other investors who we find out are degen gamblers as well. So here's where we are exactly. The line between gambling and investing, well, that is gone. It's gone. You can now YOLO your retirement on Bitcoin, oil, and whether the Cowboys cover the spread. Yep, the CFTC says it's fine. The SEC shrugs and turns a blind eye. And Robinhood says, don't worry, it's just innovation. Even though they came out and said, like, I think 80% of their platform is written by AI code. Come on. Innovation, my ass, all right? Innovate these nuts in your mouth. Now, look, folks, America has always been about one thing. Selling you a dream and charging you double for when it blows up. This is just, well, that next step, you know? We need to keep the middle class lower class, okay? Like, we can't let average people have a good life. This is America, after all. You think this is the place where we care about our citizens? Get real. Pretty soon, you won't just bet on markets. The market itself will be one giant casino. And when that happens, the house always wins. just not your house because you sold that to cover your margin spread. Remember? Now, this is your crash course on the Robinhood FanDuel love child, you dirty degens. Smash that like button. Drop a comment if you've ever lost money on a parlay and a stock in the same day. And I'll see you at the sportsbook / brokerage / therapy session next week. Have a great day. Happy Memorial Day, you losers. And I'll see you in the next one.